Hey everyone, my name's Eric, and this is Get to Know Teams by Snapsonic. One of the things that we get asked quite a bit here is how do we communicate with team members that are not part of our organization but are still using Teams? For the purposes of this demonstration, on the right-hand side here, I'm running a Windows 10 VM. I'm using a product called VirtualBox. It's made by Oracle. It's a great tool if you want to run experiments in VMs on your local machine. So let's get started by creating our team. For that, we go down to the Join or Create Team button at the bottom left-hand corner of the application. By clicking on that, we can see some options. We create team, build a team from scratch. We'll make this one public. We'll give it a name. And we hit create. We're immediately asked if we want to add members to the team. Let's do that. This member isn't part of our existing network. Sam has his own tenant. So let's add Sam as a guest. We can also add a member to an existing team. This is done by going to the three dots just to the right of the team's name. We right-click, choose Manage Team, and then we hit the Add Member button. So for this particular test, I'm going to use Sam's credentials at one of our labs. And we're going to go ahead and add him to this particular team. And on the right-hand side here, you should see a notification come up soon after us adding him to our tenant. We've seen him show up now here in the member section. And it shouldn't take that long for the notification to come through on Sam's account. It's been a few minutes and the system is synced. And we can see the guest is still appearing here in our Teams member list. And now we can see a new icon has appeared here in our other Teams member list. So if we go to the top menu bar here, we'll see that Snapsonic has invited us to become a guest on their team channel. So let's go ahead and log in. And since this is an invitation coming from another tenant, it will ask us to re-authenticate, just to validate that we understand that this is not our tenant and that we agree to join this other tenant. And now that we're in, we can actually send a message to the Teams channel that we've been asked to join. And on the other side, we can see that Sam, the guest, has sent a message into the channel. One thing that we can do is we can actually chat directly with the person and not via the channel, which is handy. So you can see here, I've sent myself a message inside the Cove Recon tenant, and I'll go ahead and respond. And we got a notification. You didn't see that it was off frame. And here we can see Sam. And this is just a direct person-to-person chat. It also gives me the presence. Lets me know what if Sam's available. If Sam were in a call, it would go red, indicating that he was busy. And there's some very easy ways to connect with individuals that are not part of your organization, where you can enable direct messaging between Teams tenants. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a comment and maybe a thumbs up or maybe a thumbs down if you're so inclined. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again.